So Abigail here, she has a question. Is there any workaround for numbers that were tagged as spam while waiting for 10 DLC to be approved? There's no workaround, but we have our spam check service. So I know that in the manage numbers page, you would see that column there for spam check. What's happening is that the carriers actually, they're flagging the numbers as spam. In our end, in REsimpli, what we do is that we submit those phone numbers flagged as spam to the carriers for remediation. Okay, remediation process, that means that um, the spam flags will have to come off. It has to fall off. So there's no guarantee actually, because it's still the carriers who has the last say about it. We don't have a control over it. What we are making sure in our end is that spam flag numbers are being submitted for remediation. And we are doing that to like all of the phone numbers we have in REsimpli on a weekly basis. Now, some of you, we have our remediation team already reached out and asked you for your business entity information. So that's actually part of the information that our third-party provider for spam remediation is asking. It's like registering your business entity and your phone numbers that, they will be submitted for the remediation process. So like I've said, there is no guarantee. We can't actually like tell you that, we've submitted the phone numbers for remediation, it will be remediated. That's not the case. The last say would always be the carriers. So if the carriers would continue to flag it as a spam, we will continue also to resubmit it for remediation. That's what we do in our end. Now, in your end, it's something that you will have to decide if you would still keep the numbers and just wait for it to get remediated, or you would change it and get a new one. Okay. Some of you would actually think that the spam flag on your phone numbers, it's actually from REsimpli, but it's not. It's actually from the carrier side. They're the one flagging phone numbers as spam. So that's what's happening. If you have like any phone numbers that you would want us to check for you if what's the status of it, you can just email us at support@REsimpli, and then we can go ahead and check it for you. And if there's any information that we need from you, we'll let you know. We've reached out already to some of our customers about it, that, we need the information for the business entity, your company name, your website, and all that, your phone number, contact phone number. And there is also this, it's like terms and conditions for remediation process that you will have to agree. So we are sending that over. And we would appreciate it if, of course, if you have like any inquiries about spam flag numbers you have in your REsimpli account, to get in touch with us. Like I've said, you can email us at support@REsimpli, and then we'll be more than happy to look into your phone numbers and see if what's happening.